Hello my friends, I am Sheikh Rabbadi from Jordan Einstein channel. So today I'm going about trading to talk about trading in IQ option. Something I learned from watching like more than 50 YouTube videos and learning a lot about trading. So what I have learned so far, that the asset, if it's going up, it will keep going up. Rarely it will go down. You can't always be right 100%. You can't even be right 90-100%. You can be 70 to 80. So with this way, maybe you can win more than you lose, knowing that most of people are losing in Forex. So let's get into it and let's talk how to work this out, how to trade, and the broker here called IQ option, how to trade on it, and how to generate a profit. So as you can see here, there is turbo and there is binary. The difference between them, the main thing between them, that this is less than 5 minutes and this is more than around 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go to binary, because binary, it will serve my my goal there. And as you can see, till the purchase time I have like 6 minutes and 37, and it's going down. Here is the purchase time. So I'm gonna look at, here is you can see the graph, the last 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 5 or 2 minutes. So whenever you close it up, you see more. So if you see for the last 30 minutes, that if we take it from here, that it's going up. As you can see, it's really going up there. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, they say put will be like 79 and call will be 21, but no, I'm going to call. Why I'm going to call? Because as I have learned, that the asset will be going up. If it's going up, most likely will end up. In this case, as you can see, it's really going down now, but I'm talking about like 5 minutes till the purchase time and maybe 4 minutes after that, so about 9 minutes. So I'm expecting it after 9 minutes to go up again, because as you can see here, let's say 55 here till 55 after 5 minutes. As you can see here, from 5 minutes to 5 minutes it goes up. Also the same here, from 5 minutes to 5 minutes it goes up. So here I'm going to try something on the New Zealand versus USD to call, and I'm going to see what's gonna happen. So put here as example 100, and as you notice here, I'm using the practice account because this is just something to teach you. So call. I made the call and the countdown started for the purchase time. As you can see, now is losing. The general is 75 in a profit, as you can see here, because the ratio is 75%. So I'm gonna wait till the time of purchase end, and to see if my way is working. Maybe it will not work, because nothing works for like 100%. Let me see here. Also 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, if I saw as example in 3 hours, I will see it's going down. So I expect this to be low, but in 3 hours it's going down. In 30 minutes it's really going up. So I'm not gonna look now at the 3 hours, because my time will be less than 15 minutes. So I'm talking about short period of time. So I'm expecting it, as I can see here, to go up. So also I will call here. put 100 and I will call. And let's see what's going to happen. So now I have two assets. I'm expecting them to go up according to the way I talked about. So let's see what's gonna happen. So as we can see here, it went really down for like from 17 and 5 till 17 and 10. It's going down and then start to go up again. But about the Australian dollar Japanese yen, it went up as we expected so far till now. There is still time to lose. You know, this red line is the end of the time. Here it's almost, you see this green line? It's the line of losing and winning. Under it, it will be losing. Over it, it will be winning. Cause I'm calling, cause I'm making a call. Call, it will be up. And if I make put, then I expect it to be down. So, yeah. But make sure that you are looking at the 30 minutes. If you want to make a deal for like 3 hours or 1 day, you need to look at more than it. So if I'm going to make a deal for 15 minutes, for yes, as I did here, less than 15 minutes, then I look at 30. If I'm gonna make a deal for on any broker for 30 minutes, then I look on 3 hours. You know, I need to look on a longer period of time so I can make a right decision. You see here it's going up again, and expected in green, which means I'm expecting profit, not loss. And here also I'm expecting profit. So as I said, the asset, if it was going up, then it will be going up for the end of depends on the market you are using, following Asian market, whatever market you are using, American. So till the end of the day, it will be the same. Not always, as I said, not that this is not like 100% rule. As you can see here, going down also, but I am sure it will go up again. So as you can see here, If you look at it, 55 till 17, you see, start here, down, ending up. Also here, almost the same here. Here, almost the same. Here, starting here, but also the same. You see, started at the same point and ended at the same point. Let's look at this every 5 minutes. So from here started, it's up a little bit. Here started and it's up so much. Here started and it's going down a little bit, and here it's going up. So there is 2 minutes left. This is all not losing, not winning. Now is losing, and this is now is losing. Expiration time expected to be 2 minutes. Profit after sale expected to be 79. Expected profit is 79. From this and from this, so far minus 100 because it's going down, and there is less than 2 minutes till the end of the. You see, it's really going down there, and now going up. God knows how it can end. You need to make sure that there is nothing at all, nothing. Maybe something will happen, will change the asset, you know. So nothing is sure here. There is nothing in Forex called 100%. Anyone tells you something else, he will be lying. So as we can see here, it goes up then down. You can see, even if we lost this one, the rule is really working. So we started here, as you can see, it didn't go down that much, which means my rule is working, and not mine. This is something I learned from watching another trader videos, more than 50 videos of trading of other people. They said, if the asset is going up, then it's going up. It can't go down all of a sudden. So this is what I have learned, and I hope it will help you. And please comment down there under the video if my way worked with you, so I know it's working also for you. No matter what the broker you are using, I hope this will help you. And thank you for watching. And so far, let's see what can happen. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 11. This one is almost losing. So as you can see, we lost. This one won already, and here we almost won. So this way, I hope, and in total we lost like 21. I hope this way will help you, and I hope you will generate a profit. As I said, there is nothing totally guaranteed 100%, but we are trying our best to make a strategy for training, a good strategy for people to trade. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope, as I said already before, that you will share with me if you make profit using this strategy.